Okay, so after a bit of an adventure, I've finally got both tractors home and start the process of tidying up the dozer blade tractor. First things first, the blade is off. It's very agricultural, needs a bit of work, tidy up work, new cutting edge, but we'll get to that. Just makes it easier to manoeuvre around at the moment without it. Going in, bit of water leaking out of the bottom tap of the radiator, so that's going to have to be fixed up. Take that off. We've also got a slight drip out of the water pump. I'm hoping with a bit of grease put in there that kind of stops it. If not, we'll have to look at the packing. See, there it drips. Fuel system, we're missing the twin fuel sediment bowl with taps. Given up the ghost. The thread where the taps go is gone, but we'll see what we can do to get a replacement. If not, I'll just have to go to a single fuel bowl sediment trap, because I'm only going to run unleaded in anyway. The ram seals failed, leaking a lot of oil, so again should be able to replace that. Oil catching there. Starter motor I've already taken off. It was completely cactus, no chance to repair, rusted, parts missing, and the seal's gone. So to stop oil leaking out of there when it runs, I've put the starter cover plate on. The PTO engagement seal's also gone on that, so we'll replace that. Got to get a better pin for the dozer connection point. The air cleaner oil bath is off at the moment. I'm cleaning out new oil. However, there is a broken bolt there we're going to have to get out to be able to reconnect it to the tractor. I've also got the connection between the Carby and the fuel bowl. Continuing on, brakes need some work. They do function, but yeah, really have to push them in to get them to respond. PTO is functional, it's lifting and dropping, however sitting in the sun all day it is leaking. Another seal. Agricultural battery box, we'll look at that. Bit of rust in the seat there. The mud guards aren't too bad, bit of rust and a few agricultural repairs, but we'll work through that. PTO seal's pretty good, not dripping. 3-point linkage. I've got some replacement arms, that'll be one of the first things I do. Also the rear one is a little bit bent, but it is straight, so I might have to leave it. A few seals and some gaskets in there to go, be replaced. Bit of a leak out of the engagement lever on the hydraulic pump. Hopefully that's just an O-ring behind this brass bolt here, or this nut here. Eventually a new belt. The hydraulic tank had a hard life, but it's still functional. Again, seeing what I can do there. Carby, a bit of a problem with the Carby. I think I've jostled it around. I have got the temporary tank on it. It's not helping it, as you can see there. Bit of fuel leaking through. Exhaust, fortunately not great, but we might be able to do up a bit of a I don't know with that, we'll have to figure that out. Again, a lot of seals mainly, all commercial stuff, little bits to tinker, but that's the plan. Get it, stop leaking. Might be English, but you know, we'll try and stop the oil coming out of it, and we'll get it running a little bit better than it currently is. So watch this space for more videos. Bit of a winter project for me. Haven't made up my mind about this one, but there is a lot of damage to it. Some good parts on it, but we'll see what we do with that one. Alright, till the next one.